different reasons for that. My laptop crashed like about 3 weeks ago, and I recently got it back, and everything that I had on it I lost, including my editing app. So now I have to learn a whole new editing app, and just bear with me shortly and I will have everything up and running come next week basically. I also have a lot of videos that I have made and haven't edited yet, but I will try to do that this weekend. So this is one of them, and if you do hear noise in the background, they are actually doing some renovation close by, so you might hear that in the background, I'm not sure, and also the AC as well. So let's jump right into this video, and this video is more or less unboxing of a competition that I have won on Instagram, and I won some pajamas for my daughter from Miss Harley Queen, and I would link her Instagram above or in the description below, so go check her out. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty cute. It has gold hearts, gold glitter hearts, gold and pink actually, and the gold is in glitter. I don't want to turn it to the other side because my address is on the other side. So let's open this up so I can show you guys exactly what it is I got. So this is everything inside here, and she also sent a card with my name and everything on it, and it's a cute little picture of her daughter and what it is I had won. I got this cute little bag here, and it has this sheer ribbon attached to close it. So the first thing I got is this little magic towel, and if you see me looking down, it's because I'm casting from my phone to my laptop, so I just want to make sure that I'm free. So I got this Minnie Mouse magic towel. I think that's from Dollar Tree, and also this Valentine's Day scarf. And this is so cute. So much DIYs I can do with this. And also this cute pair of socks from Dollar Tree. It's pink and white, and it has, I think it's a bear or a puppy on it. This is how the package came. It's in pink paper with a little cute little heart sticker. And I'm just gonna open it for you guys to see. And this is a handmade custom pajamas that she made herself. This is the top of the pajamas, and this is the bottom. So if you like this design, it's pretty cute. Go check her out, place her order, and tell her I sent you, because she'll know exactly who you're speaking about. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed me unboxing stuff, leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.